First question, the domain of sine inverse of 2x. Let sine inverse 2x is equal to theta, which implies 2x is equal to sine theta. The sine inverse goes to right hand side, the sine theta. We know that minus 1 less than or equal to sine theta less than or equal to plus 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to sine theta is equal to 2x less than or equal to 1. Divide by 2. So minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 2x by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2, which gives minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the domain x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So option C is correct answer. Second question, the domain of the function f of x is equal to sine inverse x plus cos x. So domain of sine inverse x, domain of sine inverse x is a closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Domain of cos x is set of all real numbers. So therefore domain of sine inverse x plus cos x is, so taking intersection, minus 1 comma 1 intersection set of all real numbers. When you taking intersection we get minus 1 comma 1, closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So option A is the correct answer. So domain of sine inverse x plus cos x is minus 1 comma 1. If alpha less than or equal to 2 sine inverse x plus cos inverse x less than or equal to beta, then find the alpha and beta values. We know that a range of sine inverse x, we know that range of sine inverse x is closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, which implies minus pi by 2 less than or equal to sine inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2. Next step, add pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 less than or equal to sine inverse x plus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2, which gives 0 less than or equal to sine inverse x plus, instead of this pi by 2 we know the property sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So replace sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. So sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, which is less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi, which gives 0 less than or equal to sine inverse x plus sine inverse x 2 sine inverse x plus cos inverse x less than or equal to pi. So therefore alpha is equal to 0 comma beta is equal to pi. So option C is correct answer. The domain of the function f of x is equal to sine inverse of square root of x minus 1. Since domain of sine inverse x, domain of sine inverse x is closed interval minus 1 comma 1, which gives minus 1 less than or is equal to, so given function is sine inverse of root of x minus 1. So here root of x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Since root of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, since root of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, so which gives 0 less than or equal to square root of x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. When you are taking square, 0 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Adding 1, which gives 1 less than or equal to x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So therefore the domain of sine inverse of root of x minus 1 is x belongs to 1 comma 2. So option A is correct answer. Fifth question, what is the principal value of cos inverse of cos of 7 pi by 6? Cos inverse of cos of 7 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, comma x belongs to a closed interval 0 comma pi. See, 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to 0 comma pi. So we can write cos inverse of so we can write the 7 pi by 6 like 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6, which is equal to cos inverse of 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6 is cos 5 pi by 6. Since cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. 2 pi minus x, that is, it lies in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. So which gives cos of 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6 is equal to cos of 5 pi by 6, which is equal to 5 pi by 6. So this 5 pi by 6 belongs to the closed interval 0 comma pi. Okay. So the answer is B. What is the principal value of sine inverse of minus square root of 3 by 2? So it's a simple question. Sine inverse of minus square root of 3 by 2, which is equal to sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Okay, in sine, root 3 by 2 is sine of pi by 3, sine 60 degree. Okay, so sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, so minus sine of pi by 3. 60 degree is pi by 3, so minus sine of pi by 3, which is equal to sine inverse of minus sine pi by 3 becomes sine of minus pi by 3. Since we know the formula, sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. So using this trigonometric formula, so minus sine pi by 3 equal to sine of minus pi by 3, which gives sine inverse of sine minus pi by 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. Okay, which belongs to the principal value branch minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So the answer is minus pi by 3. The principal value of tan inverse of 1. The principal value of tan inverse of minus 1. So we know tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to, we know that tan inverse of minus, so tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So tan inverse of minus 1 equal to minus tan pi by 4. Minus tan pi by 4. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. So minus tan. So instead of 1, tan pi by 4, which is equal to tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4. Again we use the trigonometric property. tan of minus x is equal to minus tan x. So tan of minus x is equal to minus tan x. So tan of minus pi by 4 equal to minus tan pi by 4. So which is equal to tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4. So which is equal to minus pi by 4, which belongs to the open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So the range of tan inverse of x is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So our answer is minus pi by 4. Find the value of sin inverse of cos of 3 pi by 5. So sin inverse of cos of 3 pi by 5, which is equal to sin inverse of cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 10. So cos of 3 pi by 5, this 3 pi by 5 can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Sin inverse of cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 10 is minus sin pi by 10, minus sin pi by 10, since we know that cos of pi by 2 plus x 90 degree, cos of 90 plus x 90 degree plus x is equal to minus sin x, okay, which is equal to sin inverse of, so minus sin pi by 10 is equal to sin of minus pi by 10. Since we use sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x, so which is equal to sin inverse of sin minus pi by 10 is equal to minus pi by 10, which belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, so the value of the principal value lies between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So answer is minus pi by 10. The domain of cos inverse of 2x minus 1. We know that a domain of cos inverse x, is closed interval minus 1 comma 1, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. But we have the function cos inverse of 2x minus 1, so minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to plus 1. Now add 1, so we get minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 1. We have to add by 1, okay. So 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2. Again divide by 2. So 0 by 2 0 less than or equal to 2x by 2x less than or equal to 2 by 2 1. So therefore your x belongs to closed interval 0 comma 1. So answer is A. So domain of cos inverse x, is closed interval 0 comma 1. The value of the expression 2 sin inverse secant inverse 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 secant inverse 2. So listen here, 2 secant inverse 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. So we are going to be simplify and find out the value of the expression. 2 secant inverse, so instead of 2 we know that secant pi by 3, okay, secant pi by 3 equal to 2, that is secant 30 is equal to 2, sorry, secant 60 is equal to 2 plus sine inverse of 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2, sine pi by 3. Sorry, sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6. That is sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so secant pi by 3 is equal to 2. We have to use the trigonometric value. Secant pi by 3 is equal to 2, and sine pi by 6, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into secant inverse of secant pi by 3 is 2 into pi by 3 plus sine inverse of sine pi by 6 is pi by 6. So which is equal to 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6. The answer is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. So answer A is correct answer. If tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 10 for some x belongs to real value, then the value of cot inverse x. Here we have to use a property of inverse trigonometric function. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Given tan inverse x is equal to pi by 10 plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So therefore cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 10. Okay, so which is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 10 gives 2 pi by 5. So the value of cot inverse x is 2 pi by 5. Option D is correct answer. The principal value branch of secant inverse x is, we know that 0 comma pi, closed interval 0 comma pi minus pi by 2 except 90 degree. So the principal value of branch value of secant inverse x is 0 comma pi, closed interval 0 comma pi minus pi by 2. Option A is correct answer. Next, 13th question. If 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi, then find the value of x. Listen, this 3 tan inverse x can be written as 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi. We know the property of trigonometric function tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So 2 tan inverse x plus pi by 2 is equal to pi, which gives tan inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2. Tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So therefore tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4, which implies x is equal to tan pi by 4. We know the value of tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan 45 degrees is 1. So x is equal to 1. So option C is correct answer. The value of sine inverse of cos 33 pi by 5. Sine inverse of cos 33 pi by 5. Listen here. Sine inverse of cos, this 33 pi by 5 can be written as 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5. 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5. We know that cos of 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x, okay, for any positive integer n. So sine inverse of cos of 6 pi plus 3 pi by 5 is equal to cos 3 pi by 5, which is equal to sine inverse of, here sine inverse is there. So I want to make the cos of 3 pi by 5 in terms of sine. So we know that sine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Sine of 90 degree minus x is equal to cos x. So using this trigonometric formula, so cos of 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5. Sine of 90 degree minus x is equal to cos x. So cos of 3 pi by 5 is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5, which is equal to sine inverse of sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5 is equal to minus pi by 10, which is equal to, your answer is minus pi by 10, which belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, so minus pi by 10 is your answer. Option D is correct answer. The value of cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 3 plus sin inverse of sin pi by 3, which is equal to cos inverse of cos of 5 pi by 3 can be written as 2 pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3 plus sin inverse of sine of, again 5 pi by 3 can be written as 2 pi minus pi by 3. Because for cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 3, this 5 pi by 3 does not belongs to 0 comma pi, and the sin inverse of sin 5 pi by 3, this 5 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So we can rewrite the cos 5 pi by 3 like 2 pi minus pi by 3 and sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. Now cos inverse of 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3, cos of pi by 3. Cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. Similarly, sin inverse of sin of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. So here minus sin pi by 3. So here we use the two trigonometric identity formulas, not identity. So cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x, angle formula, and sin of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x. So here we use the formula. So we get cos inverse of cos pi by 3, cos inverse of cos pi by 3 plus sin inverse of sin minus pi by 3. We have to write down minus pi by 3. Minus sin pi by 3 equal to sin of minus pi by 3. Now cos inverse of cos pi by 3 is pi by 3, and sin inverse of sin minus pi by 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. So pi by 3 minus pi by 3 is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, thank you students. Go through these MCQ questions and do the similar problems. These questions are very useful to your board examinations. Thank you. Subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you.